long time ago, we got married in Dublin, Ireland. I had no money. We managed to get there, and they arranged a big church wedding with no one there, and we had she had a maid of honor who was the actual maid of the rectory, and I had a best man named Hugh who looked like a best man, and it was wonderful. This is called Dublin Wedding. Mary, the rectory's maid, ransacked her chest of dresses, her work clothes she'll strew and trade. Hugh, my best man, confesses his surprise at this honor. I had just met him. He looked like a best man, a butler by trade, distinguished. He talked sparingly. In the airport I ducked into a flower shop, a bouquet of a sort that pleases, please. A shower of gifts at her feet I'll lay. No, I told the priest, I could not afford a wedding day ring. Exchanging silver, a good alternative, an Irish thing, he said. Your girl's a beauty. I know, I said. On a wing of fervent prayer, I and she promised paltriness of years, passions hurt, and children's eyes. Leaving church, I paid our fares on the local bus, no lies. To our fellow passengers, she beaming her gown's aura. I, one of the messengers, one of the simple fauna, took her to a pub. She dined on hard bread and farmer's cheese. The center of a refined world cleaved to her. Devotees struck, stared at her loveliness. Past my pint and ham sandwich, I could see it, did not miss. Her blush, my love, my life's niche.